This recording consists of a before and after forensic audio enhancement of variable broadband noise. This type of noise is one of the most difficult to remove because it changes in pitch and it occupies a wide range of frequencies. Examples include wind, rain, background traffic in cities, television, as well as additional voices in the background. When listening to the before forensic audio enhancement, you will hear many sound sources that would be considered variable broadband noise, including background traffic in a city, background voices, wind, and more. Here's the before.
I said, yeah, don't worry. I'm with you, man. I'm with you, but I gotta get you out of here. Watch out, come.
And here's the after forensic audio enhancement.
I said, yeah, don't worry. I'm with you, man. I'm with you, but I gotta get you out of here. Watch out, come.